Hey guys, today we're doing a quick merch by Amazon tip. I'm also going to have a half off discount for helium 10 in the description. But today, guys, I'm talking about the beauty of automatic campaigns and how I've already started to use my automatic campaigns that I'm running for my merch by Amazon products to my benefit. Basically, guys, what you want to do is you want to let an auto campaign run for one of your t-shirts. I try to do one t-shirt at a time if I can. Sometimes I'll bundle products into one auto campaign. So, like, for example, I've been making pillows a lot. Recently, I've done 8 pillows in an automatic campaign, kind of to give me an idea of which pillow is going to do the best. Which pillow do you think I should really hone in on, right? Because the one that's getting clicked on more, the one that may be getting more sales, that's obviously the one that I'm going to want to go the hardest for, right? So I've kind of already started nailing down one pillow that I really want to focus on. So the beauty of the automatic campaign, guys, is Amazon is the one that's doing the advertising. You want to make sure that you don't have a really high daily budget because sometimes if your bid is high enough, you'd be surprised how fast it will spend. I'll give you a quick story. I was across the street at my girlfriend's house, hanging out with her. I had one of my bids too high, and I had one of my daily budgets too high, and I literally spent, I think it was like $60 to $80 within like an hour. So you really have to like make sure that you really keep a close eye on these campaigns. I recommend really to check your PPC daily. That's what I do. I literally check my PPC every day after I get home from work. I'm on PPC almost daily, like almost for the entire day. I'll check my account. You really want to make sure you're keeping an eye on these accounts. That way you can really tweak things. If your spend is getting too high, you can, you could potentially shut a keyword off. But my recommendation to you is instead of shutting the keyword off, just lower the bids a little bit. So what I discovered this morning is through one of my automatic campaigns on one of these pillows that I'm targeting, it gave me a really nice keyword that I hadn't had previously thought of. The auto campaign generated a keyword that it's getting clicks on. It had like 2 clicks in a couple days, which is pretty good for a keyword anyway. But you want to obviously want to have more clicks than that. But for a new keyword, getting a couple clicks is exciting, right? So basically, what I'm doing is I'm going to take that keyword from the automatic campaign that I never knew existed. I'm going to take that keyword that is getting clicked on, and then I've already put it into its own manual campaign with just that single keyword. I'm going to try it out. It's getting clicked on. So what I did was I just extracted that keyword from the auto campaign, put it in a manual campaign with a fair bid. I think I'm doing like 65 cents. I try not to do bids too high just because as a community of merch people, we're really shooting ourselves in the foot if we're going crazy highball bids because Amazon's going to run with that and be like, okay, guys, you want to pay a couple dollars for a bid? Go ahead. You know what I mean? Like, they're kind of watching us to see what we're willing to pay. They want to work with us just as much as we want to work with them because they make a lot of money off merch by Amazon, off us designers. So they are motivated to help us because we're making them money too. You know what I'm saying? High percentage of Amazon's income is actually third party sellers, and things like merch by Amazon, the designers. And I think the designers like myself have it the best because I'm just kicking at my house, making designs, working on PPC. The only downside to it, guys, is when you add up the hours you spend on merch. Like for me, like at work from home job, I'm probably putting in like 40 to 60 hours a week, like an actual like keep an eye on it time, right? So that's what you gotta do. Treat your. I don't get paid for all that, but I may get paid for it if my shirts really take off. You see what I'm saying? So you're kind of doing the work now to get the benefit later. If you don't, like treat your PPC and your merch shirts like a garden, right? If you don't weed stuff, if you don't weed that garden, then the weeds are just gonna grow up. That would be your overspend on your PPC, right? If you don't keep an eye on those weeds that are bleeding your campaigns and tweak them, I recommend just lower the bids and see what happens instead of shutting it off. But you're weeding your PPC garden, and that's how you're going to see your overall costs go down, your daily costs go down. So make sure that you're running those automatic campaigns. You can even do it on just single products, so like one t-shirt, one pillow. You can run it. You can run campaigns, automatic campaigns. They do like the close match, the loose match, complements, and substitutes. I've been breaking like a pillow. I'll put it in complements only auto, or I'll put it in close match auto only, or I'll put it in substitutes, which would be your product pages only. So I'm breaking down the campaigns into separate auto campaigns. You see what I'm saying? To see which one does the best. And another thing I've been doing lately is I've been doing a higher budget, higher daily budget. But you got to think about it, guys. If you have your bids correct, you're not going to be overspending, even if you have a high budget. Because if everything works out right, I mean, the ultimate goal is to have a profitable campaign, right? So you really just got to keep an eye on these campaigns and then tweak them as you go. But feel free to go over to helium10.com, plug in my half off discount code. I recommend Magnet for t-shirt sellers because that's the keyword research tool. I use it in my titles of my t-shirts. I use it in the descriptions. Basically, it tells you what's being searched for, guys, that you may actually miss. There may be a lot of keywords that you're going to completely miss without the help of Helium 10. So I recommend you get Magnet for at least a month. Use my half off discount code. Or you could get the Platinum plan if you really want to dive deep into selling on Amazon and learn about PPC. They have a Freedom Ticket course that comes with the Platinum plan. It's like an Amazon selling course, which includes help with PPC, etc., etc. But it's a really great Amazon course. You could get that for a month with my half off discount code. Anyway, guys, that's over to helium10.com. Check it out. I recommend it. I am an affiliate. I'm a California Helium 10 affiliate. I have an affiliate manager. He's a great guy. His name's Brandon. But anyway, guys, hope you guys have an awesome, awesome day. And if you guys have any questions about, selling on Merch by Amazon, I'm getting ready to get tiered up, guys. I'm going to tier 500 soon. I need to sell 20 shirts. I already have sold 9. So I'm almost halfway there. As soon as I get to 500, I expect that my sales will start really taking off. Quick little cool thing that Amazon's doing lately with Merch by Amazon is they're doing what's called auto uploading. And basically, guys, this is gold to my merch store. My merch store, I call it my merch store. I'm on tier 100. It's not a store, but I have 100 products on Amazon. And what Amazon is doing is they're doing what's called auto uploads. This is gold, guys. Turn auto uploads on. You just want to make sure that you have each product that you upload even as a draft, because that could potentially get auto uploaded. I'm not exactly sure how it works. But make sure that when you upload even a draft to Amazon that you have your copyright, which would be the words. Make sure that it's all correct before you even upload it as a draft. Because you can upload it as a draft before you publish it on Amazon, your t-shirt. So anyway, guys, the auto uploads are gold because like this morning I woke up, they uploaded like 6 of one of my hot selling designs. That could be in other countries. I mean, this is gold, you guys. This is how you tier up and stuff. I mean, if I'm getting a lot of my selling t-shirts over in China or Germany or other stuff, what do you think's going to happen over there? It's going to sell over there too if it's selling here, right? So it's just going to help my Merch by Amazon account. Anyway, guys, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I literally just do Merch by Amazon from home almost all day. I got my coffee. So I literally just stay on my computer, go for, take exercise walks I live by like a rail trail. So it's really exciting, guys, because I can hit the rail trail and go for walks, jogs, etc. during the spring and summer. But I'm kind of locked in right now, you guys, because it's like super, super snowy out right now. I can actually try to show you out my window. You guys see how like snowy and crappy it is outside? So these are the days that I get stuck inside, just working on my Merch by Amazon account, maybe designing some shirts. Anyway, guys, also as a final bonus, I'm gonna leave one of my, let's do a unicorn pillow this week. I'm kind of pushing my unicorn pillow. It's actually a beautiful design. I was actually shocked how like nice it came out as the final product. I suspect that this could literally be like $100,000 pillow a month on Amazon. Maybe I'm like going crazy pipe dreaming, guys, but the pillow is just beautiful. I can't believe that I designed it and it just came out so nice. make a good gift for like a young person, you know, your daughter, your grandchild, your granddaughter, whatever. But you can click that unicorn link, see if that's something that you'd like to buy. We got tax returns coming up, right? Any sales that you guys help me get will help me tier up. I'm going for that tier 500 soon, so I'm kind of getting excited trying to push sales a little bit. But anyway, guys, I really appreciate all the help you guys give me. If you guys have any ideas for merch by Amazon videos, I'd be willing to entertain those ideas. See if it's a video I could do. But thank you guys. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Push the subscribe button, push the like button, share it with a fellow t-shirt designer. Hope you guys have a good one. Thanks.